All right, check it out, guys. Just got the light on. I'm gonna set this up. It has night to day mode, a sensor here. It could go maximum of 120 volts, right? And then we're gonna set this up right now. We just set up the back right now against the wall. We have our hot, our neutral, and then the ground that you have to worry about. 3 cables are pretty much, and it's all ready to go. Just make sure you remove the plastics, all right? The protector layers. These are just extra plastics. This is all glass, beautiful glass. I'm going to set this up, and the way you do it, you mount it, and then you just pin them down. So we're going to do that right now. All right, so we already have the mount in here, and we're just going to pass the cables through the back. Make sure you get all 3 of them there, right? The critical ones. Hot, neutral, and ground all go through the back. Once you set that up, all you got to do is find the actual screws and line them up. Now we're gonna set them up, and you got to put the washers first, all right, to protect from rain, because these are outdoor. You can let it go. And now we're gonna go ahead and set up a light bulb. We're gonna wire the back too. All right, here's the final product, guys. If you guys can see the light, beautiful light, like the crystal light bulb I just put in there. We have the sensor for night to day mode. So if you're gonna set this up, it only comes with one. This is made of glass. It's outdoor graded, waterproof seal top electronics. So very simple to install, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.